As soon as you come out of Delhi, on way to Dehradun, you find this patch of green. Wonderful, nice to see greenery. We're in industrialization of the Western UP is at its peak. A wonderful sight in the morning. India's green cover is about 18%. Greenery you find almost everywhere in India, even in deserts during rainy season. And naturally, God has in reality bestowed India with green and greenery. And unfortunately, in those places there is no greenery. The favorite color is green, but no greenery. Quite strange. Look at the screen, trees and slowly this green cover is giving way to concrete. The pock marks on Mother Earth. Greenery is trying to fight. It is helpless. Man has made trees and greenery and nature helpless in front of the rising demand of these concrete jungles. And I don't know how long it can sustain itself. The rising and exploding population of all sorts, with tremendous increase in population, unchecked growth, even migration from surrounding areas, villages, towns, states, is playing havoc. I must check it. Unless otherwise, the frightful, angry nature will do something to preserve itself. It cannot remain unchecked forever. Anywhere you find concrete jungles, towns and cities, whole streets are full of filth, refuse and what we say is attempts to clean it. People are just not civic minded because there is no guidance and no regulatory authority at all. It is a sleeping nation. Unlike other vibrant, energetic nations, people are low-lying, will do anything which is not very good. But they have been released and no attention. There is no sense of keeping clean and keeping the towns and cities clean. Everybody will use some kind of a thing and throw it off. He has no sense of things and which are discarded. And rivers and streams have become a weeping boy because so much sentimentality and attachment to rivers is there that people will throw all kind of muck, clothes and things like that because of sentimental reasons, as if they're doing a great favor by putting all kind of clothes and remains inside the river, polluting it to the Goa, as if this will actually give them salvation. Utterly a foolish idea. Anyway,